In this video, I'll be showing you real life percentages. Here's the first question. What percentage of people, what percentage of the photos are flipped? So here in this picture, there are 29 photos in this picture. 22 of them are flipped. So that means 2 out of 29 photos. Convert that into a decimal becomes 0.07 times 100 equals 7%. 7% of the photos are flipped. So here's the next question. What percentage of people are wearing blue? There are 26 people in this photo. 11 of them are wearing blue. So the calculation is 11 out of 26 converted into a decimal is 0.42 times 100 equals 42%. 42% of people are wearing blue. Here is the next question. What percentage of words is pink? So there is 163 words in this poster. 73 of them are pink. So here's the calculation. 73 out of 163 equals 0.44. If you calculate that into a decimal, times 100 equals 44%. 44% of the words are pink.